Yeah, that's it. Okay. So this here is your Troy-built lawnmower, and it has approximately it's a 190cc. Okay, and it's got the ready start Z start, so that means it's a crank that right there. Hold this. You're off. You're off. Okay. 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 And it's got front wheel drive, rear wheel drive for going to fields. It's got the real bag, the and it has the side discharge. It has brakes on every wheel, so you can choose what wheel you want brakes on. And if you're stuck in a rut,
You want to redo it?
No. If you're stuck in a rut, okay, you just. You just pull this here lever, okay? Okay? You just get right out of it. Too much horsepower for this kid.
That's why I'm selling it.
See? Sounds great. Turn it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wait, is it still going? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. If you want to buy that hair lawnmower, I will be willing to trade for a Prius like that one.